Hello and welcome back to another video. We're going to do a little follow-up now on the Cartec Ceramic Guard, because off the back of that I know Empire have been silly busy, and we've had quite a few people contact us and say, yeah, is it really worth it? Well, this was kind of the plan all along, to do like a real world test, but the Impala, as you saw, this had ceramic coating applied to it now 6 weeks ago. And we've not had the car for most of the time since then. It's been over with Brad at Goblin Automotive, who's done a full front suspension rebuild on it and a few other bits and pieces. And following on actually from sort of the video we did on this and living with an American car, we've never had any issue getting parts in from the States, except for this time. It took about 4 weeks for some reason for the steering track rod arms to clear customs in the UK. So I've no idea what's going on there at the minute. But in the meantime, while it was out there, while it was over with Brad, sorry, it's kind of in their way, so it was taken outside each day, and they've got trees at the back of their place. Brad and Alan really look after the cars, and he phoned me straight away and said, look, do you want us to, what do we do to clean it? I said, don't, please, just because I want to use it as a real world test for the ceramic guard. So, as you can see, it's looking a bit grubby now. There's watermarks, it's sticky with tree sap, it's a little bit unpleasant, truth be told. Now, I must stress, you would not get your car back from Brad at Goblin like this. I asked him just to leave it because I want to do this as a follow-up and, you know, the point of the ceramic guard. So what we're going to do now is real basic, nothing fancy. I'm going to go out of my way to be less fancy. We run all the Cartec equipment and cleaning gear here, but we're going to dumb this right down with some Holt's shampoo, warm soapy bucket and a garden hose, and we're going to show you why this system is so good, because with the overlay footage you'll see that from here I'd imagine the car still looks quite nice, but it's not, it is filthy. So we're going to do a real quick, simple wash of a car. But the point of this is, as I've stressed before, I hate cleaning my cars. Kind of like a builder's house, you know, I paint cars all day long, we clean them up for customers. I don't like doing my own. This is going to make it a pleasure though. So we'll crack on, no more talk, and we'll get this cleaned up. Right, okay, that's all just been filmed in one shot. Now, in editing I will time lapse that because you don't want to watch me doing this for 13 minutes, but the point being that from the start, from when I hit record and I did all my flannel at the beginning, this video has been 13 minutes long to this point, prior to my time lapse editing. So, take out of that my chit chat at the beginning, probably 10 minutes to go around this. And we know it's a big car, so wet it all down, soapy mitt, nothing fancy, it was a Holt's car shampoo. Washed it down, and I could feel through the wash mitt, with one pass you could feel it's kind of textured. You come back again, it's smooth, because all of that sap and everything has just come straight off the ceramic guard. Then with the rinsing down, don't put any pressure on the hose. You might have seen a couple of times I put a bit of pressure just to blow off a bit of debris, like a leaf or something blew down in a couple of places. But if you just let the water trickle onto it, you're not agitating the detergent that's in the soap. So if you just let the water trickle down, it all just beads off. Now, we're standing out here right now, half in the shade, half in the sun, and we've got water still to dry off, but as I'm looking at it right now, and I will grab the camera and I'll go around it as well, but as I'm looking at it in the sun, we've got no dry watermarks anywhere on this, nothing at all. The water's actually just beading down and off. There is nothing, it looks absolutely stunning as it did when they first coated it. So I will in a minute grab the camera and I'll do just a quick walkabout so you can see it as it is now. I don't plan moving the car. This is on a Saturday and I've got some work to do inside, so I've done this first knockings. So I don't plan moving the car, and I'll come back out a little later on when it's all just dried off, and again go around and do a video, and you'll be able to see just how clear it is. I promise you, I'm not using anything else. There's no chamois going on. I'm not going near it with anything. I hate doing this. This video is the longest part of my car washing process. So, is it worth it? Heck yeah. So easy. You know, I mean, this was sticky with tree sap and it was vile. And in no time, no effort, I'm a little bit wet, but I'm not sweaty. And this big dark metallic car is ready for the first show of the year. We're taking it to tomorrow, actually, which is why I've come in to clean it this morning. So, can't say enough. Ceramic Guard. Get it done on your classic car and save yourself so much time, effort that you could be spent out driving them rather than cleaning them. So I hope that's helped kind of push the point forward, and we'll catch you next week for some more videos.